Hi everyone, welcome back to the Code Shop channel. In today's video we're comparing Odoo and ERPNext, two of the most popular open source ERP platforms. Both promise to help you run your entire business, from sales and accounting to manufacturing and HR. But which one is actually more practical for companies in 2025? Let's take a closer look. Odoo, founded in 2005 in Belgium, has grown into a complete business suite with dozens of integrated apps and a modern interface used by companies worldwide. ERPNext, launched a few years later by Frap Technologies in India, also covers core operations and remains fully open source, often appealing to smaller teams that value simplicity and self-hosting. So at a high level, both share the same goal, making operations easier, but they approach it a bit differently. Let's start with usability. Odoo offers a polished, consistent interface that feels familiar to users of modern cloud apps. Navigation is intuitive, and switching between modules is seamless. The drag and drop Kanban boards, different views, and modular dashboard make it easy to navigate even for users who have never touched ERP software before. ERPNext, on the other hand, has a more minimal interface. It's functional and fast, but lacks the visual appeal and refinement that users have come to expect from modern tools. It does the job, but the overall look and flow feel more technical than business friendly. So if you prioritize a clean, modern interface for daily users, Odoo feels more refined. If you prefer something minimal and direct, ERPNext fits that mindset. Now let's look at what's inside, the features. Both offer the essential ERP modules: CRM, sales, purchase, inventory, accounting, projects, manufacturing, but Odoo goes much further. You also get marketing automation, beautiful website builder, and even social marketing, all fully integrated. And before we continue comparing the two platforms, I want to share something really useful for anyone evaluating ERPs right now. If you want a deeper look beyond this video, you can scan this QR code and download our free ERP comparison report. It's a great assistant when choosing the most suitable system for your business. Our experts have put together a complete, easy to understand analysis of the features, differences, and capabilities of leading ERP solutions. And while we're on the topic of choosing the right solution, you can also get a free consultation from our ERP specialist, who will help you review your business processes, compare key functionalities, and answer any technical or functional questions you may have. Just scan this QR code, fill out a short form, and get your free consultation. Both links are also available in the description of this video. Alright, with that said, let's get back to the comparison. Both systems manage stock and manufacturing workflows, but Odoo stands out with a dedicated shop floor module for real-time production tracking, tablet-friendly workstations, and detailed performance analytics. Also, it offers a PLM module, which is great for BOM version control. It's great if you have a lot of vendor changes or design updates. ERPNext sticks to the fundamentals, but it does those fundamentals really well. It includes domain-specific modules like education, healthcare, and agriculture, which Odoo doesn't offer out of the box. So if you want an all-in-one business suite, Odoo wins. If you want a lightweight ERP focused on essentials, ERPNext holds its ground. Let's talk about pricing, because that's always a big factor. Odoo has two editions. The Community Edition is completely free and open source, perfect for smaller businesses or testing environments. However, it's more limited than the Enterprise version. Still, you get access to powerful basic modules. The Enterprise Edition comes with advanced features, cloud hosting, and official support, starting at around $25 per user per month, which is pretty affordable. ERPNext, being open source, is also free to self-host. But if you use the official Frap Cloud hosting, it starts at around $5 per month for the most basic shared hosting plan. As you scale, using more CPU time, larger databases, or more storage, the price increases. So if you just want a low-cost ERP for a small operation, ERPNext is definitely budget friendly. But when you factor in performance, updates, integrations, and professional support, Odoo Enterprise delivers more value and long-term stability for growing companies. Let's talk performance and community. Odoo is known for its scalability. It handles large volumes of data and thousands of users, which makes it ideal for growing or enterprise level businesses. There is also a massive global community of developers and official partners, meaning support, tutorials, and third party integrations are easy to find. ERPNext is lighter and faster for small deployments, but scaling it for hundreds of users can require careful configuration and strong infrastructure. Its community is passionate and growing fast, but it's still smaller compared to Odoo's ecosystem. So, which ERP is actually worth it in 2025? If you're a small business or startup looking for a free, simple, and open platform that you can control end to end, ERPNext is a fantastic choice. It's transparent, easy to host, and covers all the basics without hidden costs. But if you're a growing or mid to large company that needs scalability, professional support, a rich app ecosystem, and a polished user experience, Odoo is absolutely worth it, especially the enterprise version. At the end of the day, both are powerful. But the right choice depends on how much flexibility, support, and polish you need.